So I really want to turn this basic chest of drawers that I've had for over 6 years to something like this. But I'm sitting here thinking, is that even possible? And the answer is, I have no idea. What's up guys, it's Didi here and welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I've got another video for you, a DIY video. And guys, forgive my face, I've got no makeup on, so if I traumatize you this morning, it's fine. Like, it's not everyday eyelashes and makeup, you know. So today I'm just gonna be doing a makeover of my my chest of drawers. So at the moment everything is a mess. Like, look at everything everywhere, but I just moved in, so you know, it's expected. Like, it gets messy before it gets better, because that's the way we roll. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I'm gonna make over this chest of drawers. So I've had this chest of drawer for over 6 years. I wanted to do a makeover because I'm tired of the look of it. So guys, this is the chest of drawer and it's got about 8 drawers in it, and I'll just open it and show you. So this is how it looks, and this is what I was talking about. So if you see, it's got like chips there and lots of like marks, and look at that. So that's why I want to make it over today, to make it look a bit more, you know, lush and luxurious and expensive. And I figure there are a lot of you out there, guys, who've got chest of drawers that you've had for a long time. You want to make it look nicer than it already looks. So rather than go spend thousands or hundreds of pounds or dollars on a new chest of drawer, you might as well just make over your old one, because, you know, we're about saving those coins, you know. So let's get this DIY started. So what I've done is I've just put some black bin bags here to protect my floor, and I'm going to be extra careful when I'm doing it. The first thing you're going to need for this DIY is a furniture paint, of course. This I got from Wilko. Obviously you need some paintbrush as well. The other thing I'm gonna be using is this doorknob as well. Let's get DIY. So the first thing you're gonna need to do is to clean the chest of drawers. So I'm gonna just clean the top. I think the rest of it is okay, but there's still some dust in there, and you don't want to paint on top of the dust because it's not gonna look nice. So I'm gonna be using this Flash wooden floor cleaner with almond oil. I like this because I don't want to use water, because water obviously is not good for wood, but this is like a wooden cleaner, so it's suitable for wood, and I want something that would just give it that shine. Ooh, that is gross. So now that I'm done cleaning, I'm going to use this to sand the chest of drawer. So I couldn't get one yesterday. Actually, I forgot to buy yesterday. So this is the only thing I have at home that can actually sand this drawer. So you want to use this. I think this is a nail file. So I'm going to use it to just, so what you want to do is just use something sharp to just smoothen it so that everything is kind of even. We're going to just take out all of this drawer, because we don't want like things leaking through and dripping and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to remove all of that drawer and just put them aside. Guys, I guess this is the time. I'm gonna go ahead now and open this and start painting. Guys, this is so exciting and nerve-wracking at the same time, but I can't wait to do it. I'm really excited to do this, because I've never done a furniture home decor DIY before, so this is my first time. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and start painting. Oh my god, yeah. That is the 50mm brush. This is the 37mm brush, and this is the 2mm brush. So I'm going to be alternating between these three. I hope I don't need any more than this. Oh guys, look at that color. It's so cute. I love it. Look at this, guys. I don't know if you can see it. So this is the color. Smells horrible. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead now and start painting. Guys, look at that. Oh my god, so excited to be doing this. and I like the fact that it's really sheen, it's satin, so there's that shine to it, which I really love. Look at what I've done, guys. I've painted from there to this bit here, so it's just this bit left, so I'm almost done. And I'm usually very guilty of like using too much paint. I'm very heavy-handed, but if you're doing this, guys, you just need to be really light-handed. You don't need to be super heavy-handed, and make sure you take like minimum amount each time, and you can eventually like do a double coat if you need to add a bit of extra. Just like butter, it applies so smoothly, and look at that shine, guys. The shine there is just amazing. I love this. So that's it, guys. I'm done doing the top of the chest of drawers, so I'm going to go ahead and move to this bit, which is going to be the very tricky bit. So when it comes to cabinet like this, the best thing to do before you paint it is to take out this knob or the handle. So I'm going to go ahead and take out this one. So mine, it kind of is screwed in there. So it's very easy to do. All you need to do is just like screw it open, and automatically that comes out. So you want to take that out because you don't want that to come in the way when you're painting. So you just take that off, and then that's it. So I'm going to do the same and just take all of them, take that out before I start painting. Guys, look at me, I'm covered in paint. Guys, to be honest, I have a newfound respect for painters, because painting is not an easy job. It looks easy, but it is not. I tell you that. Like, so what I've done is just take this bit off, because, guys, I don't think I have enough paint to paint that bit. I'm going to leave it like that. All I want to focus on is just this top bit here. And so I've just taped that off so I don't end up putting paint there. So that's what I've just done.
Basically, we're going to replace the old wooden handles with these cute Victorian style knobs, and I got this in gold color. And guys, it was so easy to screw it in. There was no need for any equipment or tools. All I needed was just my hand to screw it in, and it was fine. It was intact. So guys, I guess it's time to put back the drawers where they belong and show you guys the finished product. Guys, I'm so excited for you guys to see this because I love it, and I think you guys are gonna love it too.
So guys, are you ready? Drum roll, please. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at this beauty. Guys, I can't believe this is the same drawer that I've had for over 8 years. It's so freaking gorgeous. Oh, I love you. Yes. This is so pretty. So guys, this is so pretty. I'm actually thinking what I'm going to put here in that space. I've actually ordered a makeup cabinet, which is just a small one, which I'm going to put in here. And hopefully that's going to make it even more prettier. So that's it. Oh my God. All I can say, guys, is that we did an absolutely fabulous job. Oh, I love this. I love this. Oh.
And that's it, guys, me making over my old chest of drawer DIY style. That's all I've got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and as usual, I enjoyed making this video for you, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video as well. So guys, go ahead and do your thing. Just like, comment, subscribe and share, and as usual, I can't wait to see you in my next video. Thank you, and bye bye.